Are you learning anything yet? Hope so. Okay, now I'm going to put this back up there, making sure I get the 3 prongs into the 3 prongs here. And like I say, not all smoke alarms are created equal. I resituate my ladder a little bit. I just moved my ladder. Okay. And so you just have to make sure, because I put one in one time. I thought I had clicked it in there all the way. It didn't work. I pulled it down and I had missed the hole, but the prongs still fit into nothing. And so you just have to kind of look at it, hold your mouth just right, see which way it needs to go. Okay. Yeah, see, here it goes. And it generally, it'll snap in there. And now, I gotta find the right grooves here. I remember this was on this side, but you can install it with that being on the other side, but there's 2 areas on here where you have to have it in the right angle for it to be up flush before you can twist it on. Okay, that's right there, because you don't want to think you're tight on one side, start turning on it, finding out on the other side you're not in there all the way. Okay, with the new one, when you turn it, you'll hear it chirp. This one's not going to chirp, I don't think, because it's not new anymore, but it should go da, 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 da. And I'll feel that. You may not hear it, but I've got it pushed up tight. Now I turn it to the right, and I don't want to go so tight that the mounting bracket's going to twist, or I'm going to break it, the back side of it off. I just make it snug. Now I feel it right there, turn it to the right, I hang on to it. Come on. There it goes. There. Okay, that's it. Snug as a bug in a rug. Everything's fine. Okay, you just have to hold your mouth just right, and try not to force it. It's just plastic. You know what I mean? All right, now before I do anything, I got to go down and turn the breaker back on. Okay, so I'm going to go down, turn the breaker on. Now, if you wired anything incorrect, your breaker might snap and trip. If it trips and snaps and kind of wants to back off into the middle of between on and off, let's say, then that tells you must have hooked up something wrong. You might have stapled your wire too tight up in the attic. You might not have been paying attention to what you were doing. Maybe one of the wire nuts, when you pushed it up there, one of the wires was loose and it came out, and it's now sparked when you turned it, and then it made the breaker trip or something. I'm going to cross my fingers that everything's fine. I think it's fine. And I'm going to go down there and turn the breaker on. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.